Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're talking about a pocket knife from Gerber. You want to check this knife out, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about a new knife I picked up from Gerber. Now, I purchased this knife, before I show it to you, I purchased this knife because it just looked really cool. I'll be honest with you. I picked it up because it looked really cool in the pictures. I've been carrying this knife for about 3 weeks now, and I can tell you I am absolutely in love with it. So that's what it looks like closed. This is called the Gerber Flatiron, and it has the cleaver blade. Check that out. So this is the Gerber Flatiron. All right, so one thing about this knife is on the front side you have a plate. On the back side it's just raw metal with your pocket clip, and yeah, so it doesn't have a thumb stud, it's just got a slot, but it is easy to open. It's got this if you need to bear down on something. Comes out of the box really sharp. I've gotten some new knives that were dull, couldn't do anything with them. This one come pretty sharp, liner lock, and it's got some weight to it. It feels really good. You can hold it like this if you need to, or you can choke up on it and hold it up here and bear down. Now, I've been carrying this, like I said, for 3 weeks, right around 3 weeks. Love this knife. Now, let's talk about some specs on it, and the wind picks up. So, closed, it is right at, well, the blade, I don't have a closed length. The blade on it is right at 3.8 inches long, and overall is 8.5 inches long. So you're looking at 8.5 inches from tip to tip. It weighs in at about 6 ounces. The one I picked up, they call this aluminum gray. So I don't know if that's because this is kind of gray and this is aluminum, or if this is just because this is aluminum. It has some other colors. The other colors cost a little bit more than this one. This one I paid right at a little less than $30 for this knife. Now, I'll have links in the description below for multiple websites wherever I can find this. Now, I picked mine up off of Amazon. Gerber's got it. A couple other websites. I'll drop links down there if you prefer to shop one place over the other. But it has done really well in my pocket. I can tell you, this pocket clip, it is not going to fall out of your pocket. It is solid. I mean, it takes a lot to get it to flex and get on your pocket. See a little bit of wear right here where it was rubbing against my flashlight that I always carry in my pocket, but it is just easy to open. It just has some weight to it. I just love the way this feels. This is just an amazing knife. If you see a need for having a cleaver style blade, even if you don't see a need for it, this is just a bad knife. I mean, look at it. It is just awesome. So, I'll have links in the description. You can check it out. Right around 30 bucks can get you this Gerber knife, and I have loved it. It is going to be part of my EDC. I wish it was like assisted opening or something, but it opens really easy. There were some bad reviews on Amazon saying it was hard to open. Mine is not. Mine is easy, one-handed operation. I've cut steaks up with this. I have cut stuff out of packages, that kind of thing. You guys are gonna start seeing it more here on unboxing videos, because this is going to be my EDC knife for a while until I find something better. But it just feels so good, heavy. You can see how thick that blade is too. It is not going anywhere. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Have you ever seen the Gerber Flatiron? If you have, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. If you're interested in one, drop me a comment and let me know. If you've got any questions too, drop in the comments and I will be glad to try to answer them. And that's all I got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.